Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Grambling, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocation without stress is adventurous and fun as you cascade down the path to your new home filled with anticipation. Relocating without stress can only be possible when you have entrusted your move to credible local movers to ensure a seamless process. Otherwise, it can be an overwhelming and tiring process. There are credible movers in Grambling that are top of the game in facilitating hassle-free relocation. Top of the chart is 3 Movers Company, who we are notable for providing timely relocation and thus saving their clients time. If you need to move quickly or need a company that can handle last-minute changes, 3 Movers is that company. 3 Movers are also Grambling top-tier moving company that can efficiently plan and execute a seamless cross-country relocation for you. They relocate clients' automobiles across the United States at no extra charge, ensuring they are moved without damage. They can facilitate international relocation also, since they operate in over 190 countries worldwide, making them the most credible long-distance movers you can work with in Grambling. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grambling moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.